What's up, everyone? It's Jim here, and today we're diving into the future of marketing with OnPassive. This company's all about using AI to streamline your business, and trust me, they've got some seriously impressive tools. We're talking next-level automation, deep analytics, and a suite of products designed to make your life easier. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, staying ahead of the curve is key. That's why we're breaking down the top 5 OnPassive AI marketing tools you absolutely need to know about. We're talking game changers here, people. So if you're ready to optimize your strategies and boost your results, buckle up. And hey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this video helpful. Thanks. Let's get started. First up, we've got OConnect. And let me tell you, this is way more than just your average video conferencing tool. We've all been there, struggling with laggy connections, dealing with clunky interfaces, and just overall feeling like online meetings could be so much smoother. Well, OConnect changes the game with AI-driven features designed to make your meetings seamless and productive. Think real-time transcription so you can focus on the conversation instead of frantically taking notes. Plus, it's got automated scheduling and smart participant management, which basically means it does all the heavy lifting for you. But here's the kicker. OConnect also analyzes your meetings, giving you insights into engagement levels and helping you understand how to make your meetings even more effective. It's like having a personal assistant for all your online collaborations. Next, we're diving into the world of analytics with OTracker. Now, data is king in the marketing world, right? But sometimes, getting a real grasp on all those numbers can feel overwhelming. OTracker swoops in to simplify things with its intuitive dashboard and powerful AI algorithms. We're talking in-depth website traffic analysis, understanding user behavior, and tracking your marketing campaign performance with laser focus. And the best part? OTracker doesn't just show you the numbers, it helps you understand what they mean. You'll get actionable insights and recommendations tailored to your specific goals, so you can make data-driven decisions and optimize your strategies like a pro. Chapter 3. OCreate builds stunning websites with ease. Now, let's talk about creating a killer online presence with OCreate. Look, I get it, building a website can feel daunting, especially if you're not a coding whiz. But OCreate throws those old-school website builders out the window and brings in the power of AI. We're talking drag-and-drop functionality, customizable templates that are actually stylish, and AI-powered design suggestions that make your website look like $1,000,000. And the best part is, you don't need any technical expertise. OCreate makes it incredibly easy for anyone to create professional-looking, mobile-responsive websites that are fully optimized for conversions. Chapter 4, OTrim shorten links, maximize impact. Okay, let's be real, nobody wants to click on a super long messy URL. That's where OTrim comes in, your secret weapon for clean, trackable links. And yes, it's more than just a URL shortener. OTrim lets you create branded links that look professional and trustworthy, which is key for building your brand identity. But here's where it gets really interesting. OTrim also gives you detailed analytics on link clicks, so you can see which campaigns are resonating with your audience and track your ROI like a boss. Plus, you can customize your links with UTM parameters, making it even easier to analyze your marketing efforts across different platforms. It's like having a built-in tracking system for all your links. Chapter 5, OMail, the future of email marketing. Finally, let's talk about OMail, OnPassive's answer to email marketing that actually works. Forget generic, spammy emails. OMail is all about delivering personalized, engaging content that gets results. We're talking AI-powered automation that segments your audience and sends the right message to the right people at the right time. Plus, OMail's got these super sleek, customizable templates that make your emails stand out in a crowded inbox. But here's the real game changer. OMail uses machine learning to analyze your email performance and gives you actionable insights to improve your open rates, click-through rates, and ultimately, your conversions. So there you have it, the top 5 OnPassive AI marketing tools that can seriously level up your business. From AI-powered meetings to intuitive website builders and data-driven analytics, OnPassive's got you covered. These tools are all about simplifying your workflow, automating tasks, and giving you the insights you need to make smarter marketing decisions. Honestly, it's like having a whole team of marketing experts at your fingertips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest in AI marketing tools, and be sure to let me know in the comments which OnPassive tool you're most excited to try. For more information about OnPassive and how you can use these tools for your business, please go to the description below. Thank you and have an awesome day.